Now I'm going to focus on pulling the lower intake off. There's, several 13 mil bolts to take off. And so I'll focus on loosening those all, removing them, and then we'll take a look at the camshaft and the roller lifter area, what it looks like. All right, so it's loose. So I should be able to just grab on here, back there free well. Some gasket material, but it comes off pretty easy. Oh. Now let's take a look at what we have going on in here. So this is a first real-time look for me. So got these gaskets, lower intake gaskets. Trying to see if there's a Ford part number on them or what that is. Yeah, there's a Ford part number on this. It is F2TE9439.ca or CA. So set that aside. What else do we got in here? All right, so a bit of a silicone one-piece gasket there. A little bit of corrosion, obviously from the cooling system. Mechanically, I don't notice any damage at all in here. This is the spider track that holds the roller lifters in place. I don't see any crazy sediment or anything inside there either. So, I don't see, even in here, for example, there's no sludge or anything. There's some spider nests there. Okay, that's the passenger's bank. It's the same thing. A little bit of dirt and debris that came in when I pulled the lower intake off, but no piles of sludge or sediment. Inside the valve train area actually looks like, I would say, relatively clean. I know in the last couple I've taken apart years ago, they were quite sludgy in there, so that's great to see. I don't see anything really concerning in any way in there, so that's a encouraging sign. Maybe it is a pretty low mile engine yet. Like I said, it's got lots of Ford original parts on it. I'm just looking to see if anything's been, looks good, looks really good. All right, well that was a success, I would say. Nothing scary in the upper valve train area. I think I'll just keep working away, get the water pump off, crankshaft pulley, damper, that sort of thing. And then next step will be the pull aheads, take a look inside the chambers from the top, and then we'll, in future video, we'll take a look at the bottom end and check some bearings and pull a piston and see. So there's an update. I think that's enough garage time for me tonight. Thanks a lot for watching. I couldn't pack up for the night without at least trying to loosen these two water pump bolts. Now, if you know 5-liter Fords, these are into water jackets. They often rust and seize into the block. It's a nightmare, actually. So I wanted to just see if I'm going to get lucky or not. This top one broke loose, no problem. These are the trouble spots. So you can experience the pain or the joy with me in real time here. Oh, that's unbelievable. That loosened. And one last try. Please work. Wow. I can't believe that. And this is the big long one, and it already loosened already. All right. These are notorious. Notorious. To the point that my last 5 liters, I replaced these with stainless just so they wouldn't rust in. So I'm going to count my lucky stars and say I'm stopping for garage time tonight. Thanks for watching.